Windows 11 in-place upgrades can silently wipe the XML configuration profiles used by the wired auto-config service, causing immediate 802.1x authentication failures on wired networks. Devices are placed on restricted guest VLANs or blocked entirely, losing access to internal resources. Three concepts matter. 802.1x is an authentication mechanism, ensuring only authorized devices can access network resources. Wired Auto-Config is the Windows service that performs this authentication on Ethernet interfaces using stored XML profiles. EAP is the authentication framework that provides the negotiation mechanism for methods used within 802.1x. Three rules to follow. Upgrades wipe, policies persist. Never trust manual configurations to survive an upgrade. Always rely on centrally managed policy. Check the logs, trust the events. The wired auto-config operational log provides explicit error codes that pinpoint the exact cause. XML is the key. Master net LAN export and import commands to resolve the issue in under 5 minutes. Read the full guide at purple.ai.